You want to become certified PMP in just 4 weeks after the training. If yes, join our program that is going to start on 16th of June, and I'm going to make sure that you become certified PMP in the month of July. Or I would say that before July ends, you will be certified PMP. How do I make sure? First of all, who am I? My name is Amer Ali and I have helped more than 1000 students in last 3 years. Actually, it is 1044 as of today, but I would say more than 1000 students with 99.9% success rate. This is the highest in the world, this number and that success record. How do we basically make sure that each and every single student who joins our program, they become certified PM? First thing, of course, my programs are backed by money back guarantee. Why I'm sharing this thing? Because I want to make sure that whatever you are investing and you are going to invest with us, that is insured. And money back guarantee means that, let's say, God forbid, if you fail, I'll pay your re-examination fees. This is actually not for you. This is for me to make sure to keep coaching you, to keep training you till you become PMP. So how do I make sure each and every single individual become certified PMP? This comes down to my success coaching system. It consists of 3 parts. First thing is customized roadmap. Second thing is follow-up. And third thing is coaching calls. You see, let's talk about this thing first. When you join my training, it is divided into 3 parts. Pre-training, like whatever the day you are watching this video, before joining into actual class, which starts on 16th, which is my second phase, training, and then third phase, post-training or coaching. In pre-training, let's say today is 25th of May, from 25th of May till 16th of June, daily I'll share one video to you that is of either previous batch or one of my best videos on any topic, maybe on agile, stakeholder, communication, team, risk, quality, procurement, depending upon where do you stand. If you have taken the training before, if you have given exam before, where do you stand, I will customize this pre-training according to your requirement. So when the day comes, which is 16th of June, you may have already gone through the entire exam content one time. Then comes actual training. Here we will have 6 days of training, 16, 17, 18, that is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and next Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. UAE time to 1 a.m. 6 days of training. In this training, we will do more than 150 question answers. I will tell you how to do question answers. We will do more than 20 plus exercises on mind map. We'll make project charter, we'll make stakeholder register, and so many other documents that in that training you will be prepared for your PMP exam. But I will not let you give the exam as of now. I'll say, okay, let's go deep into the exam. Once 6 days training is completed, now 97% of students never gives the exam. The reason is that after the training, there is no follow-up. They may give you a roadmap, but that's it, nothing else. My real game starts after that. Once that training is completed, I will make a customized roadmap according to your requirement. Maybe you can spend 1 hour or you can spend 4 hours, whatever the time you can spend. According to that, I'll make a customized roadmap specifically for your requirement. Now this will be something that I'm really proud of, that you get a customized roadmap. The point is that no matter how good the roadmap may be, and it will be the best of the best of the best, if there is no follow-up, you will never actually go through that roadmap. Remember when we were growing up, we need our parents or mothers, somebody to yell at, hey, do this, hey, do that. Or if you are an athlete, You need a coach, all great, LeBron, whatever name you can call, whichever sports you like. Everyone had a great coach. So here, as your mentor, as your coach, I'll do regular follow-up to make sure that this customized roadmap is working for you. And if it's not working, I will change the roadmap, because goal is fixed, direction needs to be changed, needs to be realigned again and again. And to make sure you understand that you are solving question answer in the best possible way, we have these coaching calls, 3 coaching calls in a week, in which basically I share how you can solve question answers. Customized roadmap, daily follow-up, coaching calls in which we solve question answer session. Other students come, one coaching call, you will solve question answer, other I'll solve it, and then we will have a breakout room activities in which you will be discussing with your fellows, and they will be solving question answers, and this will keep on going till you become certified project management professional, which will be probably 1 week, like 1 month, 4 to 6 weeks after the training. Customized roadmap, daily follow-up, coaching call, plus at any time if you have any question, I have a very active 24/7 support system by my certified PMP. You see, I have 1,000 plus certified PMPs, and we have a mantra that each one teaches one. So basically we work into that my students are also teaching you through the WhatsApp, whatever the queries you have, 24/7 we will be working into that, and we will be guiding you through that thing. So this thing is your entire process, how you can become certified PMP. Now let's talk about finance. PMP exam fees is $545. This is the PMP exam fees which you will pay to PMI. My training fees for the group program is $499, and for one-to-one is $999. If you haven't taken training before and you can sit in the class in these dates, I recommend join the group program. But if you feel you need a one-to-one attention, you can join one-to-one program. Please understand, if you have watched the video to this long, my training fees are fixed. I can give you installment, but this is a fixed price program, because I know I'm the best PMP trainer, and I know that you are the best person who needs best value. So join this program, and I'll make sure you become certified PMP in the minimum possible time. Let's do that.